Hello and welcome to this new video dedicated to creating a therapy series in HIP. The examples presented are fictional and only illustrate the features of HIP. First, select the concerned patient. From the administrative page, access the series section. Here you will find all ongoing series as well as completed series. Let's look at a concrete example by creating a new one. Our patient is starting a therapy series for elbow rehabilitation. Several pieces of information must then be completed. The name of the series, the number of planned sessions. If needed, you can check long-term treatment. In our example, we define a series of 3 sessions, then indicate the referrer. If they are already registered in your contacts, you can select them directly. Otherwise, click on plus sign to add them. You can also provide the prescription dates. It is possible to attach documents to the series or select existing documents from the patient file. Once all the elements are completed, you have the option to schedule the first session directly in the agenda. A window opens. You have 2 options: schedule the appointments one by one or plan the entire series in one step. In this example, we choose to schedule the entire series. The sessions will take place weekly, every Monday, starting from March 9. So simply activate the weekly repetition and set an end date corresponding to our 3 sessions. Add the necessary members and equipment. If a time slot is not available, the assistant allows you to automatically select the next available slot. An informational message may also appear. For example, if a prescription is missing, a notification will indicate this and allow you to add it immediately if necessary. Once validated, all appointments are set and visible in the agenda. At the same time, billing sessions are automatically created. In our example, the 3 consultations are grouped into the same billing session. It is possible to modify the billing at any time. For example, you can replace a follow-up consultation with a final consultation directly from your Medatariff. You will find more information about the Medatariff in the dedicated video. To learn more about the therapy series settings, we invite you to watch video number 3. For more details, you can also check our online help. The link is in the description. We hope that this video has been helpful to you and that it will assist you in effectively using the therapy series function in HIP. Thank you for your attention and see you soon in the next video.